Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and we have Antonio Nurri from Nurri Espresso. Say hello.
Hello.
And we have his new dual boiler R-Type espresso machine that we have been patiently waiting for. This one doesn't have the manual pump pressure profiling, but that is an option available with a hole on the side panel and a knob to turn it. And this is a quick setup of the machine. So basically, once you get the machine out of the box and everything is assembled, looks good, take the water tank out, always fill it outside of the machine. Like that. Put the tank back in and make sure that it seats properly and goes down into a little holding cup. Close the lid. We are going to plug in the machine. And how do we turn this bad boy machine on?
Very easily. There is a switch here on the left side of the machine when you look from the front. So you just switch it and then you push the main button here. You activate the pump because the boiler is now empty. So if
it fills up.
Yeah. And eventually you can also make the saturation of the coffee boiler, which is always good when the machine is cold. So we do it right now. So we activate the pump with the knob here on top of the machine. It's just on off. Very simple, very easy to switch. And you make sure that when the machine is cold, you fill up now the coffee boiler to avoid, any air, so any steam eventually later on inside. About, 20-25 seconds will be enough to fill it up, make sure that no air is inside the coffee. So that's it. You see, when you switch it off, solenoid valve will release the pressure.
Yes.
So now you can switch both boilers on. Okay, so the coffee first and the steam, which are the same size, both in stainless 316, 0.8. They go very quickly at set point, as well as the group head you can touch is already warm because we have a cartridge inside the group head. In the Lever 2 here just one because it's 2.2 kilograms, and this is enough to put the group head very, very quickly on the set point. So we wait now about 8-10 minutes to reach all the temperature for the two boilers as well as the...
Also here we have the portafilters. We have this double and the single. To put the basket in, you always want to heat the machine up with this in the group head. It is 58 millimeter. Again, it doesn't go all the way over to straight 6 when it's new. Doesn't always go over because it is a new machine.
Gasket, yeah, it's new.
This leveler may be included, may be an option. It is an option with Nurri, so this may not be included, but it's heavy. We have a nice, looks like aluminum tamper. We have the blind, another 2 cup, and a single cup.
Yes.
And basically now we've gone through the entire setup. The programming is done here. Do we have the temperature control for the group head as well?
Of course, yes.
And then we have the steam boiler temp, and it's based on the rotating lights from left to right. It goes, it coincides with each button when you're programming the temperature. So stay tuned. Watch for our next video coming out soon.
One last thing, sorry, you can eventually, as optionals, get the plumbing kit.
Even if it came with tank only, you can change it or no?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so there'll be
so
an
you
optional
will get
kit.
both.
So, well, can we order the machine tank only and then change it later? Can the customer change it later?
Eventually, yeah, they can. But, we prefer if we do this in the factory, which is much better.
So we're probably going to order the machines with that availability right away.
Sure.
So customers can go both ways. Anything else?
That's it.
As you can see, we don't script any of the videos. They're shot live and good to go. We don't have any scripts here that we work at First Line, as you're already probably aware. But this is the machine. Watch out for our next video on how to make great espresso with the Nurri dual boiler. Again, this is the prototype here, the first one we just received less than a week ago. And as I always say, couple things. Follow us on social media. Follow Nurri's social media channels because he's got a lot of followers. And as well, make sure you share to show that you care the information that we have. And give us a thumbs up. And as these get longer and longer, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.
Arrivederci.